Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm gonna teach you to convert your PDF into PowerPoint presentation using CamScanner app. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your internet and you have already signed into your CamScanner account. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Now let's get straight into the process. You have to open your CamScanner app first. Here I go. Now here at the top you can see different options, and also at the bottom you can see different options. You can choose the option all, or also you can choose the option tools. Here I will be choosing tools. Now here you can see different section as scan, convert, process files and so on. Here under conversation you can see the option PPT to PPT. You have to tap on that. Here I go. Now you have to select the PDF that you want to change to PowerPoint presentation. Now here you can see that continue option. By tapping on that you will be getting 3-day free trial. For that you have to get CamScanner Premium. After that you can easily change your PDF into PowerPoint presentation. In this way you can easily convert your PDF into PowerPoint presentation using CamScanner app. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also hit that bell icon so you get notified every time we post new videos. Thank you.